Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on F4 and Shift F4, and it's so really part two. Somebody sent me this file, and they've colored in the whole page, and they've got it locked so you can't grab it, and it's pretty cool, but I personally wouldn't do this. So let's go right-click with your mouse and unlock the object, and just get rid of it. And how they created that is just go to the rectangle tool, you double click and you put the rectangle the size of your page, and then you can color it in with yellow, and then you can, while it's selected, you can lock that object, and it's locked so you can't mess it up. But you can right click and unlock it and actually delete it. I personally wouldn't do it like that. If you click on this shadow right here, double click, comes with your page size. It also, under documents right here, you can go background and create a color, and just for the video we're going to make it a light gray, and you can't grab it because the page has been covered or colored, and it's not an object. So we hit F4 and it shows us everything on our page, because the fact that before it would have gone like this because the yellow was an object. Well, Corel doesn't create the page color as an object, so when you hit F4, it's just showing your items on the page and off the page. And then, of course, always to get to back to your page view, just hold down the Shift and F4 key, and you get that. So very easily, double click on that shadow, background, no background, and it's gone. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.